I have here the well-loved probiotic for dogs. So we're trying these to see how effectively they support a couple things: gut health, help with itchy skin, and improve digestion in a real daily routine. So my first impressions, I really do like the 120 count container. I have 2 dogs, so this is very helpful. When you smell it, it has a mild chicken scent. Most dogs probably accept that easily. And the formula includes probiotics, enzymes, and all kinds of things in here that are good for dogs and designed for dogs. What I really liked. So in my testing, the combination of the probiotic, the prebiotic, and the enzymes gave a full circle digestive support. It was helpful with gas, loose stool, and your absorption. And so far, so good. This definitely could be used with a dog with a sensitive tummy. The soft texture is really making this easy to chew or crumble if you want to crumble it and put it on their dish. This supports regular stools, better breath, reduced itching, and overall calmer digestion. And just like adults take probiotics and prebiotics, this is kind of the same thing. But final verdict. This probiotic definitely is a strong option for those dogs who need support with digestion, itchy skin, a yeast balance, or really just general gut health. I do feel that this ingredient blend is both effective, easy to use, and so far we've shown visible results very quickly. This item was gifted for review.